You sure?
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
Look, I don't mean to be rude, but this is a calm and welcoming environment. There's no need to raise your voice at me. No, please. Let me get that. Oh. Bunkin Dutcher. Just get another cube, man. Sorry about that.
Ready.
I just want to say I believe in you and you got this, okay, man? I really do.
Alright.
I don't want to alarm you, but we are approaching the 8-second mark of your inspection. Actually, by the time I said that, we're actually 12. You've actually DNF'd, but you can solve it if you want to. Can we get an extra? No, I believe in you, man. You got it.
So close. That's really hard.
Oh, you're done. Nice! Pound it. You hungry?
Oh yeah, you know, a bit hungry. What are you doing, man?
Keep up the energy. Get it in you. Nice. Good. There's still some left? No, please. Let me. Tillen Domus? Yeah, just here, buddy. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Let's mess this up.
Oh.
We've actually passed 12 seconds. You know what? Just solve it. 16. We can round that down to 10. Can we?
Hey guys, I think I see feelings.
Oi! Shut up! He's solving. Focus your mind. Become one with the cube. Eyes closed. Deep breaths. In and down. In and down. 12 seconds. Wait, what? I just want to say your hair is looking very beautiful today.
Why, thank you.
Oh, I know that one. Nice! Can we get a deli cup? Nice. Start the timer. Keep your hands down, yeah. Do you know how to solve it? Nice! I think that's good. 14. Keep it loose. Keep it moving. You got this, man, okay? You got this. Nice. Good stuff. Do that again. You know, I think we can count that to be... Where is my paper? Jaden Forrest...
Do you need... What's like...
Oh, Jaden, how's it going? Let me know when you're ready.
Yes.
Okay. Kind of rushing it, but I mean, it's your solve, not mine. Nice. No, I can do whatever I want. I'm the judge. Oh wow, 3.46. Congratulations on your world record. What do you?
Solve it.
I solved it.
You're meant to turn it over. +2.
He's solving. Coming for you. This wobbles.
You should just have a compilation.
It wobbles.
Hi.
sad day.
What was the joke? What was the?
Then swap the chair after you was wobbling. That's like it.
Oh, that's the entire joke.
I should do one more head.
We don't need to do this solving. I'm just gonna do like a stupid number of solves. You can have me like going through like chunky 16-second solves.
Right there?